In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Tinkercad for free in 2026. And the best part is that Tinkercad is already completely free for individual users. There are no hidden pro plans, no paid upgrades for basic access, and no need to worry about a trial expiring. So if you want to start designing in 3D, experimenting with circuits, or learning visual coding without paying anything, this guide is for you. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to tinkercad.com. Tinkercad is a web-based tool from Autodesk, which means you do not need to download heavy software to get started. Everything runs right inside your browser, so it works well on most computers and makes it very easy to begin. Once the website loads, look for the Sign Up button in the top right corner. Click that and you'll see the option to create a personal account. This is the important part. Choose Create a Personal Account. Tinkercad offers free access for personal use, and that is the version most people will want. You can sign in with a Google account, an Apple ID, or your email address, so pick whichever option is easiest for you. After logging in, follow the on-screen setup steps to finish creating your account. This should only take a minute or two, and once you're in, you're ready to start using Tinkercad for free. Now let's talk about the different editors you can use. On the dashboard, Tinkercad gives you a few main options. The first one is 3D Designs. This is where you create 3D models for printing, prototyping, or just learning the basics of digital design. If you want to build objects, shapes, or simple product concepts, this is the area you'll use most often. The next option is Circuits. This is perfect if you want to simulate electronics, test wiring, or explore Arduino coding without buying physical components right away. It's a great free way to learn how circuits work before building them in real life. If you're interested in electronics, this section is especially useful. The third option is Codeblocks. This lets you create 3D shapes using visual programming, which means you build designs by snapping together blocks of code instead of drawing everything manually. It's a fun way to learn logic, design automation, and creative coding at the same time. So whether you're focused on 3D printing, electronics, or programming, Tinkercad gives you all of these tools free of charge. Once you choose the editor you want, you can start building right away. The interface is simple, beginner-friendly, and designed to help you learn as you go. If you ever feel stuck, Tinkercad also provides free learning resources. At the top of the dashboard, click Learn to open the Learning Center. Here you'll find free starters and lessons that walk you through the basics step by step. These are excellent if you're brand new and want a guided way to understand the software. Another great free feature is the Tinkercad Gallery. In the gallery, you can browse public designs made by other users, copy them, and edit them yourself. This is a fantastic way to learn how more experienced creators build their projects. You can study their work, make changes, and use it as inspiration for your own designs, all without paying anything. Now let's cover exporting, because this is another area where Tinkercad stays completely free. When your design is ready, you can download it at no cost in formats like STL, OBJ, or SVG. That means you can save your 3D models for printing, share them with others, or move them into other software tools if needed. There are no limits on how many designs you can create or save in your account, which makes it a very flexible option for students, hobbyists, and creators. So to quickly recap, using Tinkercad for free is as simple as creating a personal account, choosing the editor you need, using the free lessons and gallery to learn faster, and exporting your designs whenever you're ready. You do not need a paid plan to access the core tools, and you can keep using it for as long as you want. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.